It is January 2nd, 55 degrees out. I'm heading over to Williamsburg to meet up with Kelvin from the NYC Zoos Club. We're gonna check out TALEA Brewery and then maybe grab a slice of pizza. So happy New Year, everybody. I hope your 2023 is everything you want it to be. I think that guy knew me. I think he said Johnny. The guy with the server on. Cool graffiti art over there. I don't know if you can see it. The artist is actually there spraying. Yeah, here it is, TALEA.
I love how coordinated.
Oh, thank you so much. Yeah, I got the new shoes too.
Yeah, they're stunning. And the eyeglasses, everything looks great together.
Thank you, appreciate it. She noticed the drip. These are Bruce Lee special edition. Kelvin just rode right by. What's up?
What's up?
It's part horror, part comedy. What's it on, 2nd or 4th? We are headed to La Industrie Pizza. My buddy's opening a restaurant right here. Here it is. Looks pretty jammed up.
Leo's right off the block.
Let's do it. We don't wait for pizza. Nice. Yeah, that's fine. Good to see you, man. Ride safe. Get home before the zombies come out at dark.
You too.
I hope we keep getting nice warm weather like this. Back over the bridge, heading to Manhattan. The Industry Pizza was a mob scene. It's crazy because just around the block there's pizza that's probably some might consider better. The sourdough pizza at Leo, it really is fantastic. It's crazy though, slices are like $5 now at these places. It's a lot of money for a slice of pizza. Thank you all for watching. Happy New Year. Make sure you like and subscribe, share it with your friends, and as usual, tell your fucking grandma.